Well, good morning to all. This is Mohit Shyam from Kerala Public School, Araria. I am your SST teacher. Today I am going to teach your second chapter, the Earth, its surface and movements. Students, in our last class we had to study our chapter Universe, Solar System and 8 planets. Today we are going to learn about the Earth, its surface and movements. You know, our Earth is a planet. Earth is a unique planet of the solar system. It is round in shape and it is the only one planet that life exists. And it's also called watery planets because 70% Earth's surface covered with water. This is why it's called watery planet. Once again, I repeat, our Earth is a unique planet of the solar system. It is round in shape and it is the only one planet that have life. Next, we are going to learn about the important term, the atmosphere, Vayu Mandal. The atmosphere is a thin layer. The atmosphere is a thin layer of gases that surrounds the Earth. Once again, I repeat it. The atmosphere is a thin layer. So, the Earth atmosphere is a thin layer of gases. The atmosphere contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and other gases. Once again, repeat it. Atmosphere consists of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and other gases. Next, we are going to learn another important topic, that is Earth's surface. Earth's surface. Earth's surface is made up of land and water. Earth's surface. Earth's surface. Earth's surface is made up of land and water. Earth's surface is made up of land and water. 70% water and 30% land. Okay, we talk about Earth's surface. Earth's surface is made up of land and water. 70% Earth's surface covered with water and 30% Earth's surface covered with land. Then, all the living things live in land and water. And water is very important for all living things. There is no water in our Earth, there is no life. Okay? Water, so water is a very important things, you know. So once again, I repeat, our chapter is Earth, its surface and movements. Earth is a unique planet of the solar system. It is round in shape and it is the only one planet that life exists. Then we talk about surface. Earth's surface covered with the land and water. Earth's surface covered with the land and water. Here we can see 70% Earth's surface covered with water and 30% Earth's surface covered with the land. Then we are going to learn another topic, that is movements of Earth. movements of Earth. Students, we know that our Earth is always moving in an imaginary line. Our Earth is always moving around in an imaginary line is called a axis. Our Earth is always moving around in an imaginary line. Imaginary line is called a axis. Its axis. Then Earth has mainly two types of movements. Earth has mainly two types of movements, which are rotation and revolution. There are, Earth has mainly two types of movements are there, rotation and revolution. The movement of Earth on its axis is called rotation. The movements of Earth on its axis is called rotation. It takes 24 hours. It causes day and night. ये जो दिन और रात को कारण होता है rotation. It takes 24 hours. ये रात और दिन का कारण होता है. Then next, talk about revolution. The movements of Earth around a sun is called revolution. It takes 365 days in one rotation. It takes 365 days in one rotation. Okay. That causes of season like 1 year. Okay, 1 year and consists of this rotation. So now I am going to draw it that. Okay. Okay, so we talk okay, let me continue. There are two motions are there. So rotation, okay, the movements of Earth has two. So rotation and revolution. Then the movement of Earth on its axis, this is called axis, okay, an imaginary line. Rotation of Earth in an axis is called imaginary line is called rotation, and revolution. Revolution, the movement of Earth around a sun is called revolution. It takes 365 days and it takes 24 hours. One rotation it takes 24 hours and one revolution it takes 365 days. So once again I repeat the chapter. Our chapter is Earth, its surface and movements. Our Earth is a unique planet of the solar system. It is the only one planet that life exists. Surface. Our Earth's surface made up of land and water. 70% Earth's surface covered with water and 30% Earth covered with land. Then movements. There are two kinds of movements are the rotation. Every planet has, okay, every planet has rotation and revolution. Okay, then Earth also have rotation and there are two kinds of movements are the rotation and revolution. Okay. Okay, the movements of Earth on its axis is called rotation and the movements of Earth around the Sun is called revolution. Okay, this is a simple chapter. Okay, now I am going to wind up my class. Thank you.